Welcome to this Olympiad Maths class, and this is where we separate math students from math students. All right. The question says we should prove that a square plus b square plus c square is greater or equal to a plus b plus c if or given that a, b, and c are positive real numbers and they are greater than 0. Also, that a plus b plus c is equal to 1. Now, you have seen my previous video. I guess you have seen them. Can you try to pause the video to see if you can solve it, because I've given series of tips on how to handle this. But if this is the first time I've come in here, let's get started. So we are going to prove it, and what we are going to say is that, first of all, there is something I have to let us know. Now, I want you to know that for any positive number, these are the kind of tips you get. We know for any positive number, we say that a squared plus 1 must be equal to or greater than 2a. Then b squared plus 1 must be greater or equal to 2b. You know the rest. C squared plus 1 is a pattern. Math is always pattern, is to see. Now we know this. Remember where we are coming from. See where we are coming from. Now, if you look at this, we have already gotten a plus b plus c. But you know what? These are some inequalities we have laid down. What I'm going to do is to add them all. So I'm going to have a squared plus 1 plus b squared plus 1 plus c squared plus 1 is greater or equal to, a 2a 2b 2c is greater or equal to 2a plus 2b plus 2c. You know what I just did? I added this side and also added this side. All right. I don't like that. No, that's a line on this. Let me tidy them up. So that is just what we have. So the next thing I am going to do is to simplify what I got. So I have that a squared plus b squared plus c squared, then plus 3, because 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. This is greater or equal to, factor 2 out, a plus b plus c. All right, I think you can try moving from here. Can you? Let's see how it goes. But remember, we have to apply the rule I told you. Apply AM, and this is capital M to GM rule. You know what the rule says. So what I'm going to do is to, using a plus b plus c as my major thing to do here. So I'm going to have that from AM-GM, that is arithmetic mean and geometric mean. We say that a plus b plus c all over 3 must be equal to the cube root of a, b, c, of course. But from the question, we know that ABC is already giving us as 1. Of course, I have to clean it up. So you know that ABC is 1. So let's go back. Now I'm going to substitute everything here on the right hand side as 1. So we have a plus b plus c all over 3 is equal to cube root of 1. Now it's simply, oh, come on now. It's not equal to, it's greater or equal to. That is all right. So that simply means that a plus b plus c is greater or equal to 3. Now remember, now I have to cross multiply or simplify the fraction. If this is true, if this is what I have now, then remember what we had earlier. I think correct. Remember what this is. See what we have there. Then that it is here. So how are we going to combine them? So let me bring the number back. I'm going to say that that is 2 bracket a plus b plus c, and to be greater or equal to a plus b plus c, or then plus 2. This was what we had here. Okay. So what I am going to do is to, do one or two things. But remember what we are looking for. See what we are looking for. We want to prove that this is equal to this. A squared plus b squared plus c squared then plus 3 is also greater or equal to A plus B plus C plus 3. We establish those facts. So what we're looking for is already looking at cheap. So all we need to do is to this, we subtract this. So the final proof is a squared plus b squared plus c squared is greater or equal to a plus b plus c. If you are getting confused somewhere, I would advise you get your writing material. Take the solution one after the other as I'm moving one after the other so that you can have them handy and be able to follow up. But if you're still confused after that, you have the comment section to drop your question. Then I can even answer using a voice note. Thank you for being part of